Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are liking the readings and resonating with the readings. Do like the channel, do subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you will know as and when I bring in readings. And also, if possible, comment on how the readings are for you. Some of you regularly comment. I'm very grateful and thankful to them. But if the rest of you also comment, it basically will make me, bring in more tips, or it will encourage me to bring in more detailed readings. So let's go to the card today. So today I feel in the morning the color is going to be purple. You need to wear something in purple. Also today in the evening after 6:30, if you can go to some Hanuman Mandir, or if you're not able to go to Hanuman Mandir, then in your home burn a ghee lamp and hear the Hanuman Chalisa and offer Hanumanji some prasad. It can be laddus or it can be fruit, whatever you like offering to him. Just offer to him that prasad and pray to him to keep you protected and to keep you happy always. This is what I felt, so I'm asking you all to do that. So just do that. I think today that will do. So let's see what is in the cards. Okay, a day of strength. You need to be strong, but when I see here, I feel you are already strong and you are handling things beautifully. That's what I feel when I see these cards, and I feel that you are ready to pounce back in action. You're ready to make the person understand or show them their place, because overall today I feel is a day where you will be very strong and you will show your strength where it is needed. And I feel when I'm seeing this card, because my eyes are going here on the third eye, I feel you should go by your intuition and you should take decisions. Maybe some decision related to work you will have to take. That decision you will have to take. So let's see what's the next card. So that's what the readings are. It's about the wands. So you will have to take decisions related to your work life today, and that decisions I feel is going to be successful, and it is not going to let you down in any way at all, because I feel both the cards are more as a successful cards. So you can be rest assured that it will help you in taking the right decision, and this you will not regret it. So let's see one more card. I felt like taking one more card. Yes, see, the card is more like a reaffirmation that whatever decision you take in relation to your work will only help you. It will only give you or lead you to celebrations, because for me Three of Cups is more like a winning point, a celebration point. So just be what do I say, be brave, and don't have any fears, don't create any blockages in yourself, and just focus on the decision you want to take, and then surrender to the divine. I'm sure the divine is asking you to take this decision today for some good cause, and something good will only be the outcome of this. So have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.